Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo. Energy update for January 1 to 15, 2025. Happy New Year! Kumusta ang New Year ninyo, Pisces? So, we will see the energies first half ng January. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan. And also, please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It helps the channel a lot. Okay? So, Pisces, let's see. Energy update for you. What's coming? Energies for Pisces. Okay. This is your overall energy. The challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, ng career, ng health, at ng love life. Okay, so let's get more cards for you. Kwento nyo naman, kumusta ang inyong New Year? How did you spend New Year? Excited ba kayo for 2025? Ano mga goals ninyo? Ano yung mga gusto nyong i-manifest? Comment down. Okay, let's see what else. Kuha na tayo ng mga cards for you para dire-diretso na tayo sa pagbasa. Okay? Ayan, so set aside na natin ang ibang cards. Okay. Let's begin. For you, Pisces, no? So, ang overall energy ninyo ay Knight of Swords. Oh. Medyo mabilis ang ang pag-andar ng oras sa inyo ngayong first half ng January. Maaring marami kayong kakausapin. Meron kayong mga may mga mamadaliin kayong bagay. Pwedeng requirements, paperworks, documents, mga taong kailangan yung kausapin ngayong first half ng January. And also pay attention rin na maging maingat sa mga bibitawan yung salita around this time kasi pwedeng meron kayong ma-offend. Oo, that may result to misunderstanding. So your challenge is the Hermit. Oo, maaring meron kayong kailangang i-reassess sa situation ninyo. Medyo magiging sensitive, no? I sense na you are going to be sensitive around this time. Iiwasan mo yung magulo. Iiwasan mo yung makalat. Iiwasan mo yung maingay na situation. This is solitary So parang gusto mo mapag-isa. Oo. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, mas gusto nyo na, you are resolving your issues, your problems by yourself. Pero, may mga pagkakataon rin na makakatulong na meron kayong taong kinakausap para mabigyan rin kayo ng advice or insights about your situation. Okay? And then, your opportunities, the 7 of Wands. You have the opportunity to set boundaries, to fight for what you really want. So, maaring meron kang ipaglalaban ngayong first half ng January about yung mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, na may mga taong hindi sumusuporta sa'yo or they don't want you na magawa yan or ma-pursue yan. But I think you will still do it. Gagawin mo pa rin, ipaglalaban mo. And then, your blessing is the Page of Wands. Oh, you are going on an adventure. Page of Wands is someone na go-getter. Someone na malakas ang loob na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto niya. So, I think, kung ikaw ay talagang desidido na sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, i-pursue sa buhay, yeah, gawin mo na siya, no? Para makita mo na yung resulta niyan. This can be anything. This can be entering a relationship, starting a business, or pagbukod sa pamilya, no? Or, going abroad, working abroad, traveling. Ah, Minsan kasi, hinahayaan natin na limitahan tayo ng mga taong wala naman talagang ambag sa buhay natin. 'Di ba? Oo. So, your money energy is the lovers. So, this is about commitment. Maaring meron kang papasuking commitment pagdating sa pera or you will start investing. Maari ring meron kang business partnership na papasukin. Okay, just be careful rin sa pagpasok sa mga agreements involving money. Basahin munang maigi, no? Bago ka maglabas ng pera para naiintindihan mo yung policies, yung rules, yung regulations nung pinasok mo na agreement, especially in money. Okay? And then your career, Queen of Cups. You're becoming more creative. Yung creativity mo, kung saan ka mas nagiging creative, doon ka mas nag-grow. No? Kung saan career yan. So, kung ang career mo ay hindi ka ganun ka-creative or parang feeling mo, hindi mo nagagamit yung talents and skill set mo, so, pwedeng ito yung mga bagay na babaguhin mo ngayong first half ng January. Mag-e-explore ka ng iba mong options, na available sa'yo. And then your health is the Knight of Wands. Oh, Pisces, you are so strong. Oo. I think yung iba sa inyo mas magiging active ngayong first half ng January. Moving forward, pwedeng ito ay inyong New Year's resolution. Yung iba sa inyo mas magkikikilos, tatakbo, ayan, magja-jogging. You really want to burn fats maybe, or gusto mo parang mas active ka. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, bibili kayo ng mga gym equipment, like yung mga treadmill, or you will just go out. I think, yung iba sa inyo, mas lalabas kayo. Oo. Para magpapawis. Oo. And which is good for your health. So, sa love life naman, you have the King of Pentacles. Some of you, if you are single, mas focus ka ngayon sa pagpapaunlad ng finances mo, ng pera mo. If you are in a relationship, I think iniisip mo na ngayon kung ano pa yung pwede mong maibigay sa person mo, ano yung kaya mong maiprovide para sa family mo. This is being more responsible, no, in providing needs for your family, for your loved ones. Passion. Okay, you're going to be more passionate in your craft, in your relationship, in your career. Nasan man ang attention mo ngayon? Uy, sexuality. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas magiging expressive kayo of who you really are. Mas expressive ka sa person mo, kung paano ka mag-alaga, magmahal. Maaring mas expressive ka sa craft mo, sa talents mo, mas ipinapakita mo yung galing mo. And then you have study. So some of you are learning a new lesson, learning a new skill na magdadagdag sa iyo ng kakayanan, our abilities, no, abilities para mas marami ka pang kayang gawin. Muddled and clear thinking. So maaring darating yung point na may mga kailangan pagdesisyonan na hindi ka makapagdesisyon kasi naguguluhan ka. Oo. Pag ganito, you need to try to parang i-check mo kung ano yung mga dahilan kung bakit magulo yung isip mo para at least matatanggal mo yung mga factors affecting it. Kasi meron ditong happiness and well-being. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will feel good. You will go out more. Magpapaaraw ka. Alam mo yun, parang you want to have a healthier lifestyle. Danger, especially in money matters. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Pagdating sa pera, be very careful in getting into investments or yung mga pag-release ng pera, paglalabas ng pera. Okay? And then, too much concern with sexual matters. Pisces, I feel like mas magiging sexually active kayo ngayong first half ng January. Yung iba, may bagong relationship or parang pagdating sa connection mo with someone, you will experiment. Oh. Celebration, fun, enjoyment. So, merong reason for you to celebrate. Some of you maaring may mga ma-achieve kayong goals or you just feel good about, spending time with your family members and loved ones. There is strength in doing nothing. Wait, what have you been forcing and how can you let go of the outcome? Yeah, so I think ito yung mga gusto nyong ipilit at madaliin. So, hayaan nyo lang na mag-undergo sa process kasi minsan pag minamadali, lalo siyang nabubulilyaso. Okay? So, be more patient. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.